Welcome to Traveldor, your go-to travel agency in Georgia. Since 2017, we've been helping groups and individuals explore the Caucasus region with our team of travel experts. Whether you're looking for tours, transportation, hotels, or more, we've got you covered. At Traveldor, we're on a mission to showcase Georgia as a top travel destination. We're all about putting our customers first, offering the best prices and selection with convenience in mind. Let us help you find, discover, and experience everything you want on your travels. From our humble beginnings in 2017 to our recent awards and recognitions, Traveldor has come a long way. We're proud to have grown our team and expanded our services, making waves in the tourism industry year after year. Explore our wide range of services, from FIT packages to MICE, adventure, historic, cultural, and wellness tours. We've got everything you need for an unforgettable journey through Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Armenia. Despite challenges, Traveldor has seen remarkable growth year over year. Our dedication to our customers and partners has driven our success, with our customer base and partnerships doubling annually. Discover our innovative CRM platform, designed to simplify tour planning and itinerary creation. With integrated information on hotels, transportation, guides, and more, it's never been easier to explore Georgia. Register now for exclusive access to agent benefits and pricing. Looking to host MICE events? Georgia's strategic location, modern infrastructure, unique cultural experiences, diverse landscapes, and cost-effective solutions make it the perfect destination for business travelers. Treat yourself to luxury with Traveldor's hand-picked resorts, personalized services, mouth-watering culinary adventures, thrilling activities, and rejuvenating wellness getaways. Immerse yourself in elegance and beauty in the most stunning destinations. Meet our representatives, Cosmos Connect in GCC countries and Destination Launcher in India. These partners are our strategic allies across the region, helping us turn our travel dreams into reality. Together, we form a powerful alliance dedicated to enhancing the travel experience for our valued clients worldwide. Exciting developments are underway. Our team is dedicated to enhancing our B2B CRM platform, creating a unified experience that integrates all services across Georgia. We're honored to have received nominations for various awards and accreditations, and we're committed to continuing our journey towards excellence in the travel industry. Together, we'll enhance your travel experience and explore Georgia, transforming your perfect travel dream into reality. Traveldor for the best moments of life.